Hey guys, hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Shilpa. Today I'm going to be reviewing this baking powder, that is the white baking powder. Ideally they refer to it as the ghost baking powder, and this is by Revolution. And ideally I should have ordered for the banana baking powder, which has a yellow tinge to it, but I want to try this one out. And I've actually tried it and it's worked for me, so I'm going to make a video on it to be more precise. Okay, so the rest of the video I'm going to do that way and do a voiceover.
With the L'Oreal Hydra Fresh Genius, and I'm going to apply that all over my face, and then this serum for my under eyes, just for a bit of hydration. That smells nice. And rub that into my skin and massage and massage and massage and relax the skin. With my LA Pro Primer, I'm going to prime my face. Now I apply it like this and I buff it into my skin so that I can cover all the pores on my face. And this is the way I have been always doing this, and that is a matter of habits. My neck, yeah, and I take my time while I'm doing this, guys. I'm going to be using this orange color corrector from NYX and applying it under my eyes because it's a bit dark there. But I'm not using a lot of product, guys. It's just what is remaining on the applicator. I'm using that. I did not take any extra products, just a little bit, which goes a very long way. And then with this cute little blender, I'm going to blend that out, and I did spritz it with some fixing spray. No, what do you call that? It's not a fixing spray, it is a setting spray. And yeah, I'm going to just blend that out. And then I'm going to go in with my foundation, just a few pumps, and that's about it. I'm going to again spritz some of the setting spray on my blender, and I'm going to bounce it around my skin. And I love this foundation. This foundation I got from AliExpress. I wanted a light foundation. I did not want a full coverage foundation, and I was a bit unsure if this color would suit me. But no, it just blends into my skin seamlessly as if it were just my skin, and I love it. Although I'm going to be buying a Huda, but I still love this. I'll just love this foundation. And this takes a lot of time for me. But I'm blending in. I want it to look all natural and not like a mask. Again, I am covering my neck area as well. Then I'm going to be setting my foundation with the My Glam setting powder, and this one is the pot. The pot above is the shimmer, and I love this powder because it just melts in through the foundation. There is no extra product that you need to brush out. It just melts. And then with my NYX in the shade beige concealer, I'm going to go on my nose, my cupid's bow, and then under my eyes. blend that out. And that is a moist brush. Oh, I mean blender. And I'm going to blend that out till I feel it's seamless. And then comes my cute little blender. It's such a cute little blender. It really reaches places, you know. And yeah, blending out the forehead, Cupid's bow, and my chin. Now for the product in question. I'm going to remove this onto the cap, and this is where you need to gauge how much you need to remove every time, and I've done that by now. And I don't need a lot because it doesn't go back into the container, so you don't want to waste stuff, especially makeup. And I'm going to just dab that around the eyes and the part where I need to bake. And as I was waiting for my under eye to bake, I just decided to contour my face. And I'm not very good at contouring, guys, not at all. So I'm going in with a very light hand and trying to sculpt outlines that I think are best suited for my face. And that's what I'm doing right now. And I'm going to blend that out. Maybe in the future I might get a bit bolder with it, but right now I think I will go for the subtle look. Now comes the most difficult part. I cannot, that side, yes, I go straight, but this side it just won't go straight. It will go around a certain area, just refuses to go straight there, but that's okay, we all learn. I'm going to blend that out as well, and I kind of go into my eyes as well. I do that, I don't know why, it just feels right. And now I'm going to brush off the excess under my eyes, like so, and use my LA Pro Girl Compact just to go over that area and my entire face. Again, just to blend in the colors so that it doesn't look kind of ghostly. It should look natural. That's what I am aiming for. The blender is not too wet, it's just moist from before. I did not add any more setting spray, I just dunked that into the compacting. Now I'm going to be using this blush from Nykaa, and very lightly and gently apply it onto my cheeks. It's a very soothing feeling. I love doing this. Next I'm going to go in with my strobing highlighter, and I'm going to tap off the excess. And okay, I can't find my angle. Found it. And I'm going to just apply that. Again, I do not want any harsh lines. So what I'm going to do after this is I'm going to take my blender and just blend it out a bit. And again, use that strobing highlighter on my nose. And on my cupid's bow. Yeah. Next, I'm going in with this crayon color. It's a liner and a lipstick I got actually from my glam. This was a gift with my purchase, and I love it. When I applied it first on my natural skin, it really didn't look that great, but with makeup it's really looking pretty. So this color looks really nice with makeup, I guess. It's pretty. It's called Debutante. This is an up close look, and there are no lines. It's all smooth. Oops, I kind of forgot my kajal. How could I do that? And I kind of messed up there. That's okay. And then I'm going to go in with my mascara, and in just a bit I am going to mess up again. Hope that was sorted. Come to know later when I will see it in the big screen. So I'm continuing to apply my mascara, and I'm almost done. All done.
So guys, this is the final look. I kind of like it. Across the mirror it's like a lot of makeup, but on camera right now it looks really nice. It's really nice and clean underneath my eyes, and I like this product, and I'm going to be using this. I don't think I'll be trying the banana powder because that kind of yellow tint doesn't go very well with my face for some reason. I don't know why, but I like this, and I'm happy I bought this, and I'm going to be using this. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to be making more makeup videos henceforth. So do click on the notification bell below so that you can be updated with the videos I'm going to upload. Until then, bye. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful day. Bye.